And good morning, stream.
Good morning. And Krister's completely off frame. I'm going to give him a little bit more space.
Well, I set this up when you weren't here.
Yeah.
Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle.
Shuffle, 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 shuffle.
Oh, you know what we need to remember today?
What do we need to remember today?
Our Christmas calendar. We need to do that like in our little break.
Yeah, we need to do that.
Mm-hmm.
In our little... We don't have any like proper break.
I'm too tall.
I know, you need to shrink, Krister. Like, shrink, man, shrink!
Well, I'm sitting on the shorter chair as well.
That's what he says.
I can hear the dog snoring, actually.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, okay.
That's the only reason why we're here this morning is for dog cam.
I thought we were doing some game dev.
No, we're not doing game dev. No, that's what... Oh, yeah, we're doing game dev.
Okay, so what's our plan today? We could work on a couple of different things.
Yeah, because yesterday we managed to finish off our main menu and our level loader, which we were expecting to do over 2 days, and it got done in a day. You know, it's one of those things, you know. But
yeah, so we actually were planning to do that today, but we finished it.
yeah.
Well, we haven't finished the design of it, but we're doing that off stream.
Yeah, but it works. That's what's most important.
Technically speaking, it works.
Yeah, technically speaking.
It looks ugly.
Well, no, it doesn't. It doesn't quite look ugly. It looks better than what Krister says. So if you have a look at it, it's kind of cute.
Where?
See, there's a little blue Barry Junior in the foreground. I mean, the background itself looks cute.
And the game logo?
The game logo looks crass right now.
That's the right font.
It's a work in progress.
Yeah.
So yeah, so it is a cute main menu. So Chris is just being very, you know, you've been a downer about it.
Oh. Good morning, stream. How are you doing this morning yourself? Are you having a cozy morning?
How is the stream? Yeah, you know, as a social.
And also, we haven't checked. One thing we didn't do today. Forgot to check audio. I assume it's working though. I'm gonna just double check. Yep, audio works. Okay.
Chris had listened for like 2 seconds.
Yeah, but I heard it.
And my brother is watching, and I've told him he's got to write in the chat here instead of on Telegram.
We don't look at Telegram.
We don't look at Telegram.
Right. Yeah, so I had a couple of suggestions. I was thinking last night what we could work on. We could either work on making like a dust trail after him when he walks, because I think that will look really neat and make him feel a bit more in the world. Which also we can use to add in an audio sound like...
Yeah, that's a good idea.
When he walks around. Or we could do flow direction on the raft so it follows down the river. But that one's going to have a challenge because we need to make sure that... I was thinking we could put very low friction material, so when you drive the raft up on the terrain,
yeah.
it kind of stays.
Yeah, okay.
And then it goes down off the terrain and it will flow away. And that can be quite challenging. Like
that actually can be quite challenging. Yes.
I just
do you feel like a Sunday morning you can do that?
No, I think like programming it is fine, but I think from like a game, what do you call it?
Game feel perspective.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That it can be challenging. Let's see. We have one more suggestion I wrote down.
Yeah, add in more blue barries into the world because, you know, right now summer is looking pretty plain in comparison to springtime. So springtime we have a few little blue barries lingering around and having fun. And then you have...
Yeah, Blue Shady
and Blue
we
Barry
should fix
Junior.
that introduction, but
yeah, but
for another time.
Yeah, and oh, I got the teleporter. I forgot that. And then we've got Blue Mary over here who's enjoying herself. But when we go over to summertime, it's a bit sad because there's no blue berries.
We can check if our level loader works.
Yes, it does. Apart from
it feels a bit jarring.
Jarring, yeah.
Yeah, we're probably gonna make a full screen like.
I think so.
Fade out and fade back in again.
So I'm just walking around here because you can see there's no blue berries and it's kind of lonely and it's like.
And we're supposed to have lots of blueberries here.
Yeah, I know.
I mean,
they're all supposed to be going rafting.
But when I say lots, I'm not actually sure how many.
No, we're gonna have a queue because they're supposed to go on the raft. And then we got.
Well, that's one thing we need to work on as well: rafting blueberries.
Yeah, we need to, but we need to figure out the rafting part first.
Yeah.
And then we just do similar, like automation on them.
What have we gotten ourselves into? I just want to jump on the raft, or is that a bad idea?
It's probably a bad idea.
Okay, this raft is so broken. You can't turn.
No, you can't turn.
Whoa, that is...
Yeah, this is why I don't do this on stream. Because it makes me nauseous.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. We found our little island. And we fixed these little willow trees as well. They look nicer. Because Yeah, and so we've got this little area which we don't know what's gonna happen there, and we've got some hovering grass. Hello.
Yeah, there's lots of hovering grass I need to fix.
Hovering grass. So yeah, so we're still a mile away from getting anywhere, but we're getting there, and that's supposed to be autumn over there, and it's kind of empty. I'm sorry, Mr. Pips. Sorry. Yeah.
We have a lot of work to do.
We have a lot of work to do. Always more work.
Yeah.
And especially we've been playing A Short Hike as well.
It's a cool game.
Which is a cool game and getting lots of inspiration from it. It's like, oh, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to do this, I want to do that. And it's like, yeah, we got to be careful. We don't have that much time.
It's more important for us to finish the game.
Yes. Hello, little creature. It's crawling around. Yeah. So you said it was the footsteps, adding the blue berries, and the flow direction. Should we try maybe add a little bit more liveliness to the world and add a few blue berries?
Yeah, let's do that.
Because I think that's like a little bit sad. That
what we can do is if you load up spring, and then you can just hit copy on one of the blueberries. Not that one.
No, that one is supposed to be in the army of blueberries.
Is he? Of course, we have an army as well.
Where is it? In the world and characters. There you go.
Let's grab Blue Mary, maybe.
I think I'm gonna grab Blue Mary.
Yeah.
Blue Mary. We like Blue Mary.
I think you just hit copy that and then like go into Summer and paste her.
Yes, Blue Mary is officially there. Okay.
Cool.
So we can then just put her in the characters. I love how the raft is a character. It's like, no.
It's interactable, so it makes sense for it to be a character, right?
So there's Blue Mary. She's there. Okay.
Just move her into somewhere sensible. We need a name for her, for him. Is this going to be Mr. Blueberry?
Maybe.
Oh, we're going to have a lot of blues
We're
around.
gonna have a lot of blues.
How many blue names do we need?
A lot, but we're gonna come up with them. Yeah. We're gonna come up with them. We always come up with good names.
But how could we efficiently come up with like 10 names?
You just go into a name generator and then just like blue, and then just puts like blue lily or blue potato or blue. I have no idea. Just go with random names.
I was also thinking like in quite a few games where like it's not an important character, they just name them all the same. But while the important characters,
or sometimes they don't even name them at all.
Yeah.
Or they, we've done it where when you talk to them, they have a little name above.
But we can also turn it off.
Yes. But we need to know. People need to know it's called Jammy and Blue Shady, and
important stuff. Yeah.
I'm just gonna see what she does right now. I just placed her down amongst.
Yeah, she's just sitting, so she will.
She's hovering.
Yeah, when she sits, she will not move.
I know, but she's hovering.
She will be exactly where you place her.
I know, but what I'm trying to say is I placed her hovering, apparently.
Yeah, no doubt.
Chris is a bit sleepy this morning. He doesn't quite get my jokes.
But you rotated her forward. Sorry, my voice is disappearing.
Yeah,
and I don't think she needs to be rotated. It's just that the starting animation is a bit like that.
Yeah, okay. Put her on this log. Looks pretty cute.
Because don't they straighten up a little bit once they start?
I think so.
Let's see, maybe.
Oh my bejeebus.
That's what I'm talking about. If you just straighten up the X rotation, she will look fine. Just put 0 into the 20, where it says 27 on X. That one. One down.
27. What on earth I just do?
Put it into 0. It'll work fine. It was 27. It looks weird there, but when it plays, it will look correct.
Which is weird.
It's I don't know why. It is that way. I guess it stands out a little bit sitting there. Like
yeah, she needs to be a little bit bigger. But yeah. But one thing I was thinking. Difficulties. Was the fact that we should be having maybe like some of the blue berries like queuing up there.
Yeah, so
but at the moment we don't have that.
We're gonna have a person.
Krister.
What? Our camera's frozen. Camera's off even.
Oh.
But what we can do is because the audio still works. Is a start face cam, I think. Just deactivate and reactivate it.
There you go. Got it working. What about dog cam?
It probably cut out at the same time as
The mouse, yeah.
It is 9 a.m.
dog. Switch dog cam so we can see it in big.
Switch to dog cam.
Is that moving?
Winky? Maurice?
Yeah, they're moving.
Yeah, they're moving. They're alive.
How to test?
How to test. Blinky, it's Maurice.
They're cute.
It's a bit sleepy. Okay, there you go. Now our technical difficulties are over.
Yes, and we just had a 9 a.m. Announcement on my laptop, as
Yes.
you maybe heard in the background.
9 a.m. What I was trying to say was the fact that we don't have one where they're like just is standing, we just have is sitting.
Oh, do you want one to idle stand?
I'm wondering whether we should have that, because it would be nice if like they were queuing up and they were just standing there rather than like,
Okay.
you know, sitting. I mean, not all blueberries sit.
Then we should open the Blueberry movement script and have a look at how is sitting is implemented.
Yeah. Is sitting. Update animating.
If it's not sitting, it does all that stuff.
Yeah, that's
But
true.
if it is sitting, you can see that it will
where
set
is
the
it?
boolean down at line 94.
94, yeah, okay, there. Mm.
And also scroll all the way to the top. Is there more occurrences of it?
Is sitting here. That's if it's sleeping. It's false.
Yeah, I think we could just duplicate the whole boolean and just make one called is standing.
Here?
Yeah, like through the entire script, wherever it's mentioned.
Yeah, okay. We probably need to do is sitting.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna probably do that.
Yep.
Is standing. I was also wondering whether we might need to do the animation in the blueberry animation thingy.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to do that.
Or we might actually not need to, because we have an idle stand or an idle animation. So in that scenario,
And
we
just
need to do it
the
an or.
pipes.
Yeah.
But where is that on your keyboard?
It's Alt and 7.
There you go. Is standing.
So if we're not sitting or standing, we enable
Enable.
the agent. Yeah. I think all of those similar ones are going to be the same like that. It's going to be one more of those further down.
Standing. Oops. Yeah, that's right. That's fine. Yeah, there's another one here. So it was this one. There you go. Is standing.
Either of those are true, we will stop the agent.
So if I was gonna put this here again.
Yep.
Not is standing. Oops. Oh no. There you go.
Just like me with autocomplete.
Not as bad as you, Krista.
Maybe. I don't think you need that.
Okay.
I don't think you need anything, because if everything is false on the animator, then it's.
What is Winky up to?
I thought it was a serious issue again.
Yeah, it is a serious issue.
I think that if we don't do anything, then it's going to default into being just standing. That'll be its idle, I do nothing behavior.
Okay. Yeah, makes sense.
So we save that, and we can see what happened. We got the standing thingy. We can tick that off, I guess.
But I don't think we have one in the animator script.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. I think the animator defaults to knowing it's
Does it?
supposed
Does
to
it?
do nothing, because it's the idle.
Yeah, okay. Let's go see. Blue Mary is disappeared.
That's a bad sign.
Blue Mary.
Pause the game.
She's fallen through.
She's probably snapped down to the
She's fallen through,
nav
guys.
mesh. But I think
Okay.
she was still standing.
She probably was. But I'm just gonna move her down. Or I'm gonna move her like out here so
Yeah.
we can see. Did you work? Did you work, lovely? Did you work?
I guess she snaps to the nav mesh, but why did? That's what we fixed that in the so that wouldn't happen.
Yeah, she's just standing now. There you go.
Let's see.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, that's
Hello.
really nice.
So I was saying we should have a queue over there, so to kind of like, you know, wonder what's going on. And
Should we scale her up a bit, like to scale 1? And is it her?
Huh?
Is it her?
Is it a her?
Yeah, like is it he or her?
It's a her.
Whoa, that's a sizable blueberry.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
She ate too many blueberry children.
That's horrific.
We're gonna call it Blue Sue, I think.
Blue Sue.
Blue Sue.
That'd actually be cool. That's a good suggestion.
But I think this one can probably be not standing.
Mm-hmm.
And have her sit in. I'm gonna move her up onto the thingy. She's gonna be called Blue Sue.
But we need to change something in the code which calls her to jump through.
Blue Sue. Yeah, jump through.
Yeah, you know, when we place her there, she snapped down.
Yeah, but only when we put it as a standing, I think.
Oh, you're gonna make her sitting?
Yeah, she's gonna be sitting here.
She could be standing, which makes her a bit more active.
I guess so. But she likes sitting, okay? Or she snapped downstairs, didn't she? Yeah.
Right, we done something wrong in something. Maybe in how we wrote the or statement. It's supposed to be an and. So I don't think that one is it. But if you look at,
This is only ors.
isn't there one more further up?
There was here.
Yeah, I think that this is the problem. It's supposed to be an and. Yeah, so if we're not sitting and we're not standing, then it's going to be enabled.
There you go. And once again, our face cam.
All right.
Sundays are not our days.
Technical difficulties.
Now I didn't want to activate it all.
You might have been a bit quick on the clicker. No, we have no face cam.
Yeah.
What if don't do that. Click on the device thingy. Okay, it's only one there. I can try to replug it here.
We're gonna replug it.
And there, I plug it back in again. This didn't happen at all yesterday.
No, but you were having it like 5 minutes beforehand. You restarted.
That's true. Well, it was just fresh start now, so.
There you go. Finally.
Okay.
And dog count is probably fine. Happened twice in like a few minutes. It's not good. Not good. Someone's not happy about Blue Sue. I don't necessarily think that's going to be the problem, though. We can do.
Because what you do to do that, just you click. I can do it quite quickly. So I did it like right before stream just to test it. We can do this and that. 4K. We're switching cameras.
I don't think that's a problem though, but.
No, but it will help because then this one won't stop the same way. Live shoot. Oh, we need to just replug the thing on the floor.
Where?
The sorry. There we go.
There you go.
Where's the info button? I'm clicking in darkness, that's why this is going badly. That one.
You knocked over the dog cam.
Did I?
Yes.
No! Okay.
Important business. Now we're completely out of focus.
Almost there.
Yeah.
Well, it can't work out every time. If we just do this. There. Click on the on button on the servo.
There.
Yeah. I can turn this back to manual. There we go.
There you go. Finally, we got something. Now Kristen needs to
just minimize the stuff.
Yeah, just Kristen needs to become super tiny now. And like in frame. There you go. We're there now. We're back. Hopefully this doesn't just crap out again.
This one works on a different thing, so I think that's going to be fine.
Sundays are never our days, are they?
You had technical difficulty last time we were streaming on Sunday as well.
Yeah, we did. But that was internet related.
Yeah, and graphics card dropping frames and
Yeah. Is it that your laptop was making lots of sounds? There you go. She's sitting on the log now.
I can fix that.
Hello, Blue Sue.
Well, that worked.
Hello, Blue Sue. Yes. Like Blue Sue. But we haven't changed her name in here, so she's just like... need to make sure she has Blue Sue, and then we're just going to get rid of this for the time being so we know we're going to do stuff.
Yeah, I don't have any good ideas for what we should make her talk about.
Hello there, dear. Oops. I'll just put that hello there, dear, for the time being.
Yeah.
So we don't know what we're going to do. And then I'm going to just...
One thing I'd be tempted to is, you can just duplicate her and see if the running around still works. Or if we've broken it.
Oh, okay. Can do that. She's not sitting in. I saw it move a second ago. Yeah, there you go. It's still working.
Really nice.
What is here? What has happened here?
Well, obviously, because there's a tree stump, it makes sense that there's some branches lying around, right?
Looks like there's supposed to be a kokoro seed there.
Nothing that fancy.
Ah, okay. We're gonna make this one normal size.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna have... I'm gonna put them as standing.
Oh, you're gonna make the queue, are you?
Gonna make the queue.
But should we have the queue... If we zoom out a little bit. Blue queue.
Yeah.
Yes, I was wondering, by the... what's it, the right side of the beach, right?
Yeah.
That they're kind of queuing up towards there or something, and there's like one main guy standing, and it's like all the small ones or something that's queuing up.
I was thinking about having it like here or something.
Mm-hmm.
Or like here, and having just like a big dude and then all the other ones afterwards. I'm going to duplicate this one.
Maybe rotate them in the right direction-ish, so when you duplicate them, they're kind of...
Well, yeah,
correct.
but this one I'm thinking he's gonna...
Oh yeah, he's gonna be the...
He's gonna be...
the queue boss.
He's gonna be the cue boss.
Is he the bouncer down?
He's the bouncer. He's Blue Bouncer. He's Blue Bouncer.
So they're all gonna be queuing up for rafting.
So I think he's gonna be a bit bigger. I'm gonna put him at 1.2. Like that. So I think that's kind of nice. And then we're just gonna have all these little micro ones here. So I'm gonna put that about 0.8. Because the little Blue Barry Jr.
Mm-hmm.
He, in springtime, he's like, I want to go rafting. I want to go rafting.
Yeah, but he's too young.
Too young.
Yeah,
and like
right.
all these ones are 0.8 instead of 0.7, so they're old enough to go rafting.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
Claire's logic does not put.
That's
Yeah.
obviously their size indicates their age, right?
Yeah.
That's a very orderly queue.
I know, I'm gonna make it disorderly in a second, don't worry.
Oh, we should...
They've learned from the Brits.
I'm tempted to change the level design a little bit there to like make it what do you call it? Be some beach in a way.
Oh yeah, that's what you're thinking, yeah.
So it kind of looks like they've been standing there for, their entire life.
Well, that is just sad.
Okay.
That's just sad.
I mean,
That's just mean. That's cruelty to blueberries.
this tradition is long going and people are doing it on a daily basis. Right?
Oh, look over there. What could possibly be going on over there? There's hoverberries.
Yeah, they're hoverberries.
They're hoverberries.
They're all hovering.
This is what happens.
Oh, I have an idea.
Oh, yeah?
Okay, you can make one of them guys in the queue impatient.
Okay, and he's gonna be just like running around?
No. Yeah, exactly. But you set his running around radius to like 0.2.
Okay, I'll do that. I don't want to put the front one. But the guy in the middle, he looks like that.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, like the middle guy. So he's actually not standing, he just turned off and just turned sleep duration can be quite alright. But distance like
2?
I think less than that, like
1.5?
I think I was thinking smaller, like 0.1.
0.2. Sleep duration 3?
We can see how it is.
I'm gonna see how it is.
Maybe teleport this time.
Okay, I'll teleport. I think it would have been faster for me to run, but
One more and then you're there.
I know, but I want to go see it from a distance.
All right.
See all of these impatient blueberries. Yeah. Now we need to have a second raft here once we finish up our rafting.
Mm-hmm.
And then they're all going to be going on there. And then
so when you talk to them now, what happens?
Oh, he's just going to probably be like, I am Blue Sue! I am Blue Sue!
Can't wait to go rafting. Is that what you always say?
Yeah.
Probably.
This dude,
mm-hmm.
he's going to be called Blue Impatient.
Is there a better word for impatient?
Thesaurus it.
I will look up the thesaurus, yeah.
I can't.
He can also be eager, keen, restless.
It's going to be Blue Eager. Or Blue Edgar.
Edgar. Yeah, that's pretty
cool.
Edgar.
So it's eager, just replacing that here with the D instead.
Mm.
Hello to everybody that's joining us.
Yeah, good morning, guys.
We're just coming up with random names for all of our blue berries.
And make sure that they don't hover.
And make sure they don't hover. And we're trying to make them have an orderly queue, but blueberries don't. They're not. They are very good at queuing, but there's always going to be one.
Yeah, and we're obviously in a festive mood, as everybody can see, with our little Christmas hats, because we're warming up for Christmas.
Yes, are we? We haven't had our little Christmas tree yet.
Talking of which, this is our Christmas calendar. This is conveniently like placed right there.
I know. Your mum just came and just like delivered it. I was like, it's got to go here. I was like, yeah, that's go there.
Yeah,
she just knew it.
We also have a new secret, which is kind of there. It's a bit out of focus on this screen though.
Yeah, because our early camera keeps.
But we're going to talk about it in the next devlog, aren't we?
Yeah, we are. Can't you like this? I want to go rafting now.
I feel like he needs to pee.
No, blueberries don't pee.
Alright, that's fine.
And that's why we need to have a little toilet somewhere in case they do need to pee.
Mm.
Yeah, I'll go there.
Could you make the queue a bit more compact?
Okay.
I was thinking it feels a bit more like they're actually queuing.
This little dude, he's like...
But I think you can reduce his radius a little bit.
Okay. Crystal wants to reduce the radius. Do we agree with this? No, we don't.
0.6. 7, that's fine. Now it feels like a proper queue. And then we can like maybe make like little queuing stones and everything.
Queuing stones instead of like... No, what about... No, they can use the twigs.
Yeah.
They can use the twigs
as
like
a good
markers. Idea. Oh, it's a grand plan with my bloody twigs now. Twigs, where are you? Twigs.
Or what about taking a log?
I do... you know what?
Yeah, the twig brush.
The twig brush.
Probably turn the spread down a bit.
Probably. Probably one. And see what happens. And then I just have to rotate them 90 degrees.
Yeah, that kind of works. And then we will remove a bit of grass there.
Then we need to have a
sign.
We need to have a sign.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
That would be cool. Let's just get rid of make all these twigs.
Oh, they are a bit like.
Position.
Just take the Y rotation and write in 0 or something.
Try.
No, not the position. Rotation.
Rotation. Yeah, I thought so.
That one. Just put 0. Okay, put 90. There you go.
Oh, you want to have it like that? You don't have them stuck in the ground?
Oh, is that what
That's
you're
what I'm trying to do.
Sorry, my
and
mistake.
that's why I think it's the... Yeah, it's the Z.
Should we make them actually stick down into the ground so you don't have the weird part sticking up?
Yeah, I mean, look at that.
I was thinking, what if you reverse it? Make it flip it 180 degrees so it's the straight part sticking out. Yeah, in a way.
Let me just try and move them now. Whoops. Oh, no, I can't do that. Okay, here. Nah, I prefer the other way, where it looks like that.
Okay.
I kind of think that's cuter.
What if we press undo a couple of times, and then so they have random rotation like that, and then flip them?
Was it minus 90, I think?
Yeah.
There you go. No.
They all got the same rotation. It's fine.
They got
fine.
the same rotation.
Can't get it perfect. We can randomize.
But I can also just do like this one. Put a minus, because Cloud doesn't do minuses. And then, no, I think it's just easier for us to do them all And then we can also just rotate them a bit ourselves. So we've got this and then you can just rotate it a bit. There you go. Get in there. I like that one. Poke up a bit more of the ground. There you go. Does this look like a path? No, not really.
It's good enough. We'll clean up the area a bit.
Yeah, we can clean it in. But one thing I really want to do is just get onto the terrain and just
paint in some beach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just don't like it.
Do you brush size maybe 10 or something?
I think I'm gonna do that 10. Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah.
I just need to get my layers.
All right, the layers are broken. I don't know why.
Why are the layers broken again? No layer profile.
I'm a bit tempted to not touch that because then we might have to rebake terrain and that lags everything out.
I know, but I mean, why have we lost all our layers again?
They are working, they're just not showing
There
up.
it is.
Okay, that one has it. Maybe it's not... Because that's one thing I was tempted to do actually. Was to prefab. Okay, it worked.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, that's nice.
And I can just yeah, for some reason they're attached onto that terrain instead of this terrain.
I had them on both of them when I was working last.
Oh, okay.
You can probably go to the detail mesh, yeah, and remove all the grass.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I just wanted to where's
The strength.
yeah.
Just put it to like 0.1. Yeah. Maybe pull it a bit further closer to us, like that has a little something like that. That'll probably do the trick.
Probably do the trick. There you go. And now I just need to go into the and
Hold shift or control, I don't ever remember which one.
I remember it says hold control to raise only details of selected type, hold shift to raise all.
Yeah, and then go with shift then. There we go. Yeah. Looks good.
I got the brush size too small.
I think it's okay, there's a little bit in there.
No, but it's too much.
No. Okay, fine.
What's wrong?
We can play some rocks and etc. to.
It's fine.
Yep.
We need to have some seashells and things like that.
That I haven't thought about. That's one of the things like I haven't crossed my mind.
Oh shoot! I pressed undo.
It's a dangerous button.
It's a dangerous button.
This leaves. What do you paint now as the leaves?
The leaves?
Yeah. So we plan to use for autumn.
No.
Is it? Oh, okay.
That's this one.
Oh, okay.
I did it again, undid. It worked out.
Yeah, it has been working when I've been doing it.
We got a bit of that. We got a bit of grass creep here. It looks a bit crass.
It's called grass creep.
It's called grass creep.
Yep.
And I'm just gonna play some rocks in because I don't like how it is right now. Some small rocks.
Looks a bit rocky.
Looks a bit rocky. I mean, it's supposed to be rock. We don't have any seashells, do we?
No. I wonder if we have that in one of the.
There you go. He's gonna have a little like area around him where it's just like, this is where I am placed. But yeah, you do actually.
Maybe he should stand on top of a rock.
Oh, he should. He's just gonna pick this rock up.
Or should we use that flat rock?
No. What we do this one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We just move it here. Put it underneath the ground. Bit. And there you go. Job done.
So he's the raft master.
He's the raft master. And then we're just gonna put this little rock behind.
Yeah, that's cool. Let's play and see how this looks now.
Probably looks really awkward. Actually, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna move these in.
Keeping your hierarchy tidy.
The environment.
Into summer.
One scene the window except.
Oh
yeah, I got a place at the bottom, wasn't it?
No, let's drop it onto summer instead of in summer.
Okay, there you
It's
go.
gonna be fine. cancel. The reason it's bugging out is because you have rock open. Just close that one.
Shoot.
And now reselect them, I think. Yeah, okay. Now it's not going to complain.
No, it's not. There you go.
That
okay. So let's play and see what it looks like. It's going to look atrocious.
It'll look fine. All right.
Yeah.
About that. I'm not sure what to do. Well, the audio works. And dog cam work.
There you go. We can just use this one instead.
Okay, that one is back alive. Then you can, turn that one. Okay, we're back on this one.
I have no idea what's happening. There you go.
Technical difficulties. I like that there's one guy shuffling around. Just stand a bit still and look at him.
There's some weird bounce in here.
Yeah, when you walk around.
Yeah.
I saw something as well.
This here. He does look a bit impatient. Yeah, about those terrains. What's happening there? I do not know.
Yeah, hit the bake button maybe.
Okay.
So I was thinking maybe if we prefab the terrain, it will be always like up to date and actually doing the correct thing.
So just bake. Oh, I need to go onto this, isn't it? And then bake.
Yeah. Good luck. It'll take a bit of time. That made it worse. Okay, so I know what actually is the deal, or how to fix it.
Yeah.
But I don't know why it's happening.
No, I kind of regret that we decided to go for this, but
yeah, well, that's just how it is. Because I think, as I said, like we can try to fix it by prefabbing the terrain group, but we won't prefab it until we fix it at least.
I don't know what's happening. There's nothing responding. There you go. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, well.
If we go into the brushes for this one where it's working, or I assume it's working, or is it broken?
Yeah, here.
Is it working over there? It looks weird actually if you look in the distance.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what's going on there. But maybe I'm supposed to go on to bake normal maps there? No. Color map? No. Is it using the same profile?
Yeah, it's a 4.
Okay, it's using the same profile. But why has this only got a few and then this has got like...
Loads. Yeah, you can go back to the old one.
It's got... Wait a second. No. There's one where they're supposed to have color palette. I don't... Yeah. So what do you want to do, sorry?
On this one, click add layer. And then you put G4 in here, G4, and then we put the third one. Right? And number 2 here is supposed to be number 2. Or something. Oh no, this was okay. This was 4.
Okay, wait a second. Let's have a look here.
Because if you make that wider, you can see you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay.
And if you hook them up in that order, they should.
0, 1.
But do G4, yeah.
Oh, because that one is there, and I just need to move this up.
Okay.
Oops. There you go. 1, 2. Then we need to add 3.
Oh, hello. Hello and happy holidays.
Hello.
Thank you. We're having a festive morning with lots of technical issues, but we're getting it working.
Yeah, and it's not technical issues related to Unity neither, so like, yeah, okay.
Well, a bit of both, isn't it?
Yeah.
I would call this terrain bugging out
yeah.
part of that. How's your morning?
And happy holidays to you too, it's Sar.
Yeah, Tsar. I was trying to figure out how to pronounce it myself just now.
I'm gonna go and bake now.
Yeah, try to hit the bake, and I think that might work, what you just did.
So we're just gonna delay. Probably gonna lag out.
Yeah, I don't know if the audio lags during this baking. But it might be fine. Importing small assets. Ingesting normals.
Nom.
Wait a bit.
No, I'm not patient enough. There you go.
Looks somewhat better.
Oh.
But some of them look wrong still. Okay.
What on earth? Mouse work. Well, it looks semi-fine, but like some of it isn't fine. Oh, I have no comprehension of this.
No. Why is it so hard to get it working right?
We're using like CTS, and we just have no idea what it's doing. It has its own little, yeah, its own little way of acting, and it's really confusing and really irritating.
And
so
suddenly
I'm tempted to just like drop it.
Randomly breaks as well.
Yeah.
Which has been a bit annoying when we've been working. Like it's been fine, and then suddenly it's just gone.
I'm tempted to just drop it and go back to what we had previously.
Okay. Because I'm also tempted to just like revert the changes of it in the Git history and see if it works. But at the same time, I'm a bit conflicted about it. That we might just, I don't know.
Yeah, I think we can just almost remove it. Almost. We disable this. What happens then?
And then I don't know how to actually remove it.
We don't know.
We probably have to let's see. If we scroll all the way to the top, there's probably some inputs that
you can save as. We haven't seen this previously.
That might help.
That might help. Let's just put it into textures, I think.
Yeah, okay, that's fine.
I'll call it CTS.
Yeah, layer palette. Yeah, because those are all the right layers in the right order.
Well, I wonder whether that has been the issue.
Could be. And then
No, that one's got the CTS one. Okay, that's great. Sorry.
there's still some black areas, but we can probably correct them.
Yeah, but it was also this here.
Yeah, we fixed that by going into here and turning down. It might be that if you expand those terrain texture settings there, that one of them has some detail turned on.
Detail power there, okay.
Yeah. That partially fixed it, actually.
It seems like it all got reset.
But not all. That's the weird part.
Really confusing.
Like, some of it is reset.
Not all of it. Because that one's fine.
But why is it still a little bit there? Is it maybe if you go back to the one you fixed? Is it gray?
The one I fixed, which one is it?
The gray one, I think. And then it still has some normal power or something. Yeah, there it disappeared. Yeah, that looks better.
I'm just going to try and make textures again and see what happens.
I don't think it's going to change anything. I think I'll just have to go and correct the blackness that's there.
Yeah, but it's a bit irritating to have to keep doing that all the time.
Okay, if we have to keep doing that all the time, then we will get rid of it. But if it's just one time to fix it, now that we have potentially corrected it, then that's
I don't think we corrected it now.
Yeah.
I mean, we've stumbled along this for like, I don't know.
A couple of days.
Yeah, and keep having the same problems. I wonder whether this plugin wasn't exactly what we needed at all.
Could be. That it's causing us more pain than... But at the same time, it has saved a lot of time in terms of painting a lot of the texture.
No, not really, because we'd done that already.
No, but in all the other areas of the autumn time and etc., I've saved lots of time out of the time I've been working. You can see there's working perfectly fine in the distance there.
Yeah, but why all this... It would be nice if we could tell us what it is that's the problem there. But the thing is, I'm painting onto this one, and I'm thinking that might be what the problem is. Yeah. I'm clicking on this one, and it's trying to paint on that one. Because this is that terrain over there.
Yeah.
So I'm wondering whether it's taking that data or something. Because the fact that what it's doing is it's using the same profile. And I think that's what the issue is.
Yeah.
This is auto bake. I think it's trying to get this data.
But that one seems fine though. So I don't know why it's not working on the
other
one.
I know, but I think it's because this one is, I don't know, maybe there's something here, there's a different setting. Because if you have a look, this one has TM high friction. Has different data, which is normal.
Yeah. That it should have.
But I'm not getting why.
At least the palette is the same. But why it doesn't act like the palettes are the same, that I had a hard time understanding.
Because I can't see, like, I mean, I can probably, like... But this is supposed to be green?
Yeah, I'm a little bit tempted to add in another layer and just see if that hooks up the black parts.
Add in another layer?
Yeah, but at the same time, I was like, how many layers is it supposed to have? Alright, you can click on add layer and then see how many it's supposed to be there. If you just search for G4, was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, isn't it? No.
Yeah, there's 6 here though.
Okay, so it's not 0. That's all of them.
Yeah. So I'm not sure. But let's have a look what it says here. Terrain group. What is this?
That's something which binds multiple terrains together in Unity. It's unrelated to the plugin.
Wait a second.
Hmm?
This one is untagged and this one is terrain. Does that make any difference?
I don't think so, but it could be. You can tag it. I don't think any scripts rely on it.
This one is the one we're painting, and this is the one that's not. What does this do? I don't know. I can try and paint. It's suddenly this is... What?
Yeah, because we need to use... Okay. One of those grasses are set to be without snow, and we put the snow to be brown, because we wanted it to be brown on top of surfaces. So yeah, we kind of hijacked some things and...
Oh shit, you can't undo a painted terrains. It irritates me. Yeah, but I'm done on... So is this... But I'm able to paint this one. I can't paint this one.
You can. You're painting it and it's coming up with snow, which is the brown part.
Oh, should change us. Oh, it's probably got reset somewhere. If we go here, because it's been reset in general, if I get rid of this, it won't work, I guess.
I don't know.
But those all seem the same. Minimum height, this is lower that. Make it higher?
Yeah, see now it disappeared on the areas there.
Yeah, but now it got black.
Yeah, that's bad. I think the best bet for this one...
I'm just going to rebake textures and see if they made any difference. Yeah?
Is if we try to git revert it to...
I don't think we can. We're too far ahead of it.
To a point where I think it was working. I can try this later.
No, I don't think... Yeah, but I don't want to mess around with the git. Because it's just caused us issues in the past and we've lost a lot of work from doing that.
As long as it's pushed on the remote, then it should be fine, so we can always...
But I'm just thinking maybe we just drop using this tool.
And I said, like, if the git revert doesn't work, then we can just drop the tool. Because it's...
Yeah, but I don't want to mess around with the git revert because it actually causes problems in the past, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to lose work.
Okay, fine. We dropped the tool, but I don't know how to disconnect it. I think if we...
Yeah, well, we just have to probably research how to disconnect CTS. Yeah. So if I do this...
Disconnect profile. There was a button there. We can test it out to see if it works.
Where?
If you click on the terrain, there was something called disconnect profile.
Disconnect profile. About to removal. Still be rendered, but it won't be possible to change during runtime anymore. You can later revert this process, but since the original terrain data will be modified during this, it is recommended to back up your project before.
You can continue, because it potentially is...
that up, yeah.
Yeah. And as long as that's done on both the terrains, I don't know if you have to do it on both. And remove that one probably. I don't know if unticking the checkbox is enough. I'm not quite sure how scripts are hooked up. They could maybe still do some stuff, so we'll actually go remove component. And then we might have to hook up some the default terrain materials again.
The materials, isn't it?
So this one is set to the CTS shader. We should switch it over to the lightweight red pipeline, terrain, and lit.
And then the other one here. There you go. Now it just looks horrible.
Yeah.
And we've lost all our layers.
Yeah, but don't know. Okay, so this says CTS profile. That should probably not be hooked up.
No.
I
thought our brushes were up here. No. Now I just got only CTS. Oh, there you go.
That's
Green grass.
original. I'm interested to see if we get this working. Okay.
There you go.
Maybe switch the order a little bit there. Then
yeah,
maybe
well, I'm gonna get around to that. I don't see where a grey is. That might have got replaced, actually. I think that got replaced.
Maybe.
Not that I want to use that one. I'm just gonna put that one on for the time being then.
Yeah, we can modify it.
So I think this one probably is there. There you go.
Okay, yeah.
And that makes no sense why that's there. Let's just put this one. Is that correct?
We can probably find some old recordings where we'll see actually how it looked. So we can hook it back up the same way again.
Yeah. So, yeah, but I just find it strange only one of them is showing up. What does this do?
I actually don't know. We can add more layers and see if it more stuff pops up. Because we might have to add in all the layers, and we had like a bit double up layers, etc.
We did, yeah.
So maybe just add some layers with all with snow, and then we see that it's starting to look like something.
This is we need to. Okay.
Okay, we can't have multiple of the same.
No, but we can do like this, for example. I guess.
Mhm.
And then this one. No, just that one.
Okay. Can you switch the green one to be something other than green on the bottom? Because if it's displaying something, we don't see it if it's green on green.
Wait, what?
Okay, it didn't do anything. That's fine.
It only seems to be using one. It's using the second one all the time.
Yeah, I don't see any other thing other than the second one.
No. Yeah. Yeah, but I don't understand what these tick boxes are. I don't understand that. I should remove these layers.
Yeah, that didn't work.
It's because all of our data has been removed. That's why, because the terrain tool replaced it.
Maybe.
No, but it did. It did. I remember that it ended up saying that it would remove it. And we were like, okay, we'll do it. But I wasn't too happy about it, and now we've lost that all.
Yeah, but I can probably restore it.
Yeah, but I don't like going into the commit things. It can be really... Wait a second.
What do you mean?
I know what I just done it on the wrong terrain.
This is the one off in the distance.
Oh, it is okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, I just don't like messing around with git commits because it gets messy. I don't like it.
Oh, okay.
But I wonder whether we should stop it because I'm a little bit tired.
Okay.
Can
we just turn it green so it at least looks semi-pleasant?
Semi-pleasant, like that?
Yes. We'll have to work on our terrain, and we have broken our terrain.
We've broken our terrain because we used a tool, which seems to be crap.
It's okay to anger with it.
Yeah. Be careful, you know, what you do, kiddos. Terrain.
Learn your lessons.
Learn your lessons. It might also be that we have it in one of the other scenes. I don't know. But, let's go into Git and see.
Isn't it on your one?
Oh, I don't know. It might be. Okay, I'm not gonna bother.
I'll look at it later on Git and see what I can find. But I'll be very careful with it.
No, it's the things we might lose all our work. In general, all the stuff we've done today for like 45 minutes will be lost. I don't know.
We will commit it.
Yeah.
And we'll push it, and we can't be lost.
Yeah, no, but I'm talking about the terrain. Okay. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. We are gonna stop the stream now because we're very tired and we've lost majority of our work, so we're not very happy.
Not every festive stream can be successful.
Not everything festive stream can be successful.
That's just the life of game development.
Yeah, because we use the tool and it's not working and we're not happy. So yeah, we've lost all of our tree. But thank you everyone who's been watching and being around, and we hope you all guys have a happy Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
So we should be streaming next weekend again.
Yeah, Saturday, Sunday.
After Christmas.
Christmas.
Yeah.
Anyway, until then, have a good time, and we're going to be working on a devlog next week.
Yes.
So maybe end of next week or something will be coming. I don't know.
Yeah, I think so.
We'll see when Festive Spirits patches everything together.
Yeah.
And we have actually quite a lot happening.
That we do. Including losing all our terrain.
Yeah. That's just how it goes, Claire. It's okay. We can patch this together. And that'll be up on YouTube.
Yep.
So until then, have a good time, guys.
Have a very Merry Christmas.
Yes. Have a good one.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Where's